Hey guys, what's up? So today in this video I will be telling you what are the different OLL cases which need different algorithms for OH OLL. As you already know, OH is one-handed tree solving. So basically OLL is the third step of solving the tree in the CFOP method. So it's basically really simple if you really know all the algorithms. There are actually 51, I think. I made this video because I have also faced this problem when I was learning the algorithms of OH. Because you know what, there are pretty different algorithms for almost every cases, but in some cases you don't actually need algorithms for them. Because basically some algorithms are really good also in one hand. So that's it. Some cases like the dot cases, you need to have separate algorithms in order to solve fast. Like the dot case, for instance, how would you do this case? You would simply do something like this. So that's it. But basically, you should ask yourself, is this really suited to OH OLL? The simple answer is yes, but it's really difficult. If I were you, I would do something in this case, and that's it. So the algorithms differ pretty much in when OH solving. Even the PLLs, I have made a video right here about OH PLLs. Check this out. So let's start off with this case. It's really simple. When you do two-handed, you do something like this algorithm, but in OH you do a pretty different one. Firstly you do a U2 or Y2, and then you just do the above algorithm. And that's it. Before I show another one, I would like to say is that in OH, when you do the M prime move, you do something like this, and when you do the M move, you do something like this. So I won't be showing you such different OLLs. So let's move on. Okay, I think pretty much of you know this case, how to solve this one. But still, some of you, I think, use this one algorithm to solve this. Instead, I think that you should be using this algorithm, and that's it. Next up is this case. I know pretty much of you who do something like this algorithm, but I still have a better algorithm. It's like this. You hold it like this, and then you do this. That's it. Next case is this one. I know that some people would do something like this, but a better algorithm still exists. It's like this. You just do white rotation and then do it like this. That's it. Next is this case. For this, you do something like this. That's it. Next up is this case. So this is the case. You do what you actually do in this case is just hold it something like this, and then you do this algorithm, and that's it. It's really fast. Okay, so next up is this case. This is the case. Actually, I know you would do something like this, but it's not actually the way to do it. The easiest way, I think, is rotating like this, and then again do it like that. So that's really easy. Now dot cases. So this is the case. So you hold it something like this, and then do the algorithm. That's it. Next up is this case. I already showed it to you, but I still didn't show the algorithm. So the algorithm for this is like this. That's it. So this one and its opposite one also needs different algorithms for solving them. So for this one, first you do it like this, hold it like this, and then do the algorithm like this. That's it. Now it's opposite one. For this, you hold it like this. An easy way to remember where to hold is that you just hold the two bars in front and the correct corner up like this. So for this you do, I think, just opposite. That's it. Now for this case, what you actually do is you hold it something like this, and then you do hold it like this, and then first you have to do the head slammer, then to RB prime, then that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like the content, and I need to say this: for the other OLL cases, the algorithms for OH and two-handed is really the same thing, no differences. These were all the cases that had different algorithms, or actually that needed different algorithms for you to be faster at OH solving. So that's it. Thank you guys.